Thank you for calling Residence in Mount Juliet. This is Kaya speaking. How may I help you?
How you doing, Kaya? My name is Craven Moorhead. I'm calling from the Die Translate service. I'm calling on behalf of a guest in your hotel. He's Arabic, and his name is Abdu, I believe his name is. And he's basically asked us to call and introduce his complaint to you guys. Basically, he's complaining about something in his room. I guess it's a rat infestation, and the thing is that he can't speak English. So, is it okay if I pass you over to him?
If you what?
If I pass over Abdu over to you guys, so he can explain
yeah, I'm
to you guys.
Can you could you explain to me really quick what you said that he saw?
I saw
a rat infestation.
A rat infestation?
There's so many rats all over the floor and they're going fucking crazy.
What's the room number?
206.
You said 206?
Yeah.
We do not have someone in room 206. What was the last name? Could you spell it for me?
Abdul Kimbomidi.
How do you spell that?
Kimbionoi.
We do not have anyone in-house under that last name.
Can someone come up here, please? These rats are eating at my toys.
Okay, sir, give me 1 second. Let me put you on a brief hold, okay?
Alright, thanks very much for the attempt.
Okay, thank you.
Social events let you find that all-important balance. Be productive or unwind on your own terms in our Wi-Fi-enabled lobby, featuring distinct zones for relaxing, working, and connecting, and where you can enjoy a complimentary hot breakfast buffet in the morning. At Residence Inn, you'll enjoy a terrific value, too, since we offer lower rates for longer stays.
No, she's still on hold, I think.
Did you know that Residence Inn has 50% more space than most other hotel rooms?
Thank you for calling Residence in Mount Juliet. This is Kaya speaking.
The rats are eating at my toys. What the fuck are the other people? They're eating my toenails.
Sir, let me put you on a brief hold. I'm trying to contact a manager, okay?
Alright, Harry, they're eating at my shoes.
Give me one... Sir, what room are you in?
Shoes? Two or four. Yeah.
Sir, there's no one in that room.
Oh, fuck, it's dyslexia. Is it two? Hang on. 202.
Sir, I'm going to put you on a brief hold, okay?
Alright, thanks very much for the intent.
Kitchen, our fitness center, and social events let you...
Let's call her right back.